Okay, here's the city. We installed a liner today. So we'll pull back. There's the end of it right there. So we're about 6 inches to the main. And we'll pull back. We did an end cap liner, which means that we didn't use a cal tube. So there's what the cal tube, you glue it on and then you rip it out. So there's some fragments of that. It's not affecting the liner at all. Itself. There were a couple low spots in here. That's not why we were here. To repair those. There's offsets. I think some joints were separated. We just wanted to cover up everything that we could, prevent any further damage. You can see there's some of these joints are pretty separated. So there's 52 feet of 49 feet of 6 inch street foot transition down to 4 inch, and then 15 feet of 4 inch. There was a pretty bad belly in through here. This is actually 6 inch under it, and so we negated that a little bit, centering the liner in there. And then it is low right out from the clean out through there. Again, that's not why we were here. We were here to repair damage. And there's the beginning of the liner right there. Looks really good. And this is our access in the pit. We shot through a sanitary teeth.